All right, gang, it is the moment of truth for the good old Mud Monster IPA. 2 weeks in the bottle. It's long enough for me. I did try one last week. Actually, I had two out, one from my cousin, and one of them sucks. There was no pop, no carbonation. These are brand new bottles, so that sucks because there goes a whole 16 ounce of beer. It didn't carbonate. And anyway, fingers crossed here, guys. Oh, we got some carbonation. Yo. All right. So I tried it last week. It was fine. It was good. Needed another week for sure to carbonate, but I was bored and my cousin was over, so we busted it out. Yeah, she got some good carbonation there. Some nice color to it. I don't know why. In the ferment. Ooh, that looks pretty, eh? Doesn't it look pretty? Ooh, she does. She looks real nice. This is the Brewer's Best. For all you guys just checking this out now, I'll put the link under this video to when I brewed this. This was a Brewer's Best. They just call it their American IPA. It was a 1 gallon kit, so I think I only got, what was it, 6 bottles, maybe 16 ounces, and then one I had to tank. Man, that is pretty. Look at that. That is good. That's some good carbonation. Still bubbles coming up through. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. I'm outside, but the bubbles are just rising up. Got a nice head on it. I like it, guys. These are Brewer's Best. They're no joke. They're if you don't want to get into the whole system of buying all the all grain equipment. Time-wise, I did do a video where somebody commented and said it just takes the same amount of time to do a partial mash. This is called partial mash. So those of you who are new, this is, I always tell people, start from the get-go. Can of Goo, which is the malt extract kits, the Coopers, the Muntons, the Mr. Beer, etc. Then move to the partial mash. Brewer's Best. They seem to have the market on that one. And what that is in the Can of Goo, it's all malt extract, pre-hopped, very easy to make, simple, fraction of the time to make this or all grain. This is kind of the hybrid between the two. You don't use the pre-hopped Can of Goo, you use malt extract, so it's just the malt extract itself. And then they provide you with specialty grains that you steep in hot water, just like you're making tea. You steep it, which is very similar to mashing when you get into all grain. Specialty grains give you the color, the head retention, clearly some carapils, dextrin in this, and it adds to the beer. Okay, so it should be a better beer than the kit, and it really is. The kit you can do very well with now, but I'm looking at a 20% battery notification here, so we're going to speed this bad boy up. Get tasting it. The head's going away. Anyway, and then all grain's your next step. But this is partial mash. So what I was going to say, it doesn't take as long as all grain, but it definitely takes a lot longer than kit. So it's not far off. The comment wasn't wrong. It does take a little bit of while because you do have to, you basically have to steep the grains, which is the same as mashing. So I get that. Okay. Look at that. Ooh, she's pretty. Let's have the smell. My sniffer doesn't work that well. And I'm no spit and swirl guy. That's not me. I don't do the whole, I'm no beer judge. Don't try to be. Back in the day when I had a brewery, I said, I'm taking the beer back from the hippies, baby. This is just all about making some beers. I'm not all about the, ooh, this smells like an elderberry grown in the top Appalachian Mountains and Timbuk fucking too. That's not me, man. Does it taste good? Does it smell good? Does it look good? Fucking looks good. Color's beautiful. Head's incredible. Carbonation is wonderful. I'm getting a malty smell. There was no dry hopping to this, which kind of surprised me because it was an American IPA. I thought we would have dry hopped, but no dry hopping. So I'm getting more of a malt smell than anything. Yeah, I'm not picking up any hop aroma, but again, my sniffer don't work that well. But it's definitely malty smell. Let's give her the old taste test Rooski. It's a nice beer. It's definitely malt leaning. It's definitely 100% malt leaning, but it's a nice beer. I would put money if I gave that to someone. There's no way they'd say that was a partial mash versus an all grain. That's a nice tasting beer. Nutty maybe, fuck, I don't know, but definitely more malt taste. Yeah, I'd say nutty, not bready. I'm kind of surprised we didn't dry hop. If I were to do this again, I would do an addition to the recipe, and I would definitely dry hop it. I don't know, throw some Cascade in there, some Centennial or something like that. But it's a nice beer, guys. It's tasty. I'd brew it again. I would dry hop it. These kits come with good yeast, so you don't have to toss it the yeast pack like I recommend doing with a lot of the cans of goo. I'd brew it again. No problem. No problem brewing that one again. It's a nice tasting beer. Look at the head still sticking around. I don't know. Oh, there's the bubbles. Bam! Now you can see them. I can see them in the video. You're seeing them. She's nice head retention. I can't remember, 1 teaspoon, I think I did, of dextrose. per bottle. I didn't batch prime it or anything like that because then you oxygenate it, the whole deal. Did we find this? I can't remember. You guys have to watch the video. I'll put the link under this. I can't remember all we did. I got so many of these damn beers brewing. I got to start drinking up and get on to the next batch. It's a nice beer. If you like a malty beer, that's it. Definitely malty for sure. You could add trying to think if I'd recommend. I don't think. Try it like this. It's the Brewer's Best American IPA. I'd definitely dry hop it, and I might thin it out a little bit. I might, but it's nice. It's a decent beer. I've got one more. I bought these kits at the same time, and I brewed this months ago, man. She cold crashed for a long ass time. That's why it is so damn clear. Like you want a clear beer, you cold crash that bad boy, and you just let her sit in there. I've got shit. What is it? Is it a Kolsch? I don't know. Anyway, it's another Brewer's Best. We'll be brewing that up soon. Excuse me. And there's always one or two of you out there that want to chug. So this is all the chug you're going to get out of Big Rob today. Oh boy. Oh, excuse me. There it is, guys. That's what I got. If you're new to brewing, you can check out my Beginner Brewers Bootcamp, where I do explain how to move from kit beer to partial mash to all grain. Teach you all the basics of brewing, how to make good beer from home. And then if you're into brewing and you want to move to all grain or into all grain already, I used to own a brew pub, and I give away my top 5 best-selling recipes as well. Sign up link is under this video as well. That's what I got, guys. It's a Saturday. Hope you guys are having a nice weekend. And Big Rob, while he's gone, he's got one more of these in the fridge. He's going to get that into him as well. And that'll be it. Cheers, guys. Keep going.